A message from the UN Global Compact member Intelligent Fluids to the world of industrial cleaning. Did you check how badly solvents like acetone and NMP affect your ESG balance? The industrial replacement of acetone and NMP with Smartchem results in a reduction in CO2 emissions of up to 80%. CO2 certificates can and will become very expensive, and so will energy costs. We offer an energy cost reduction of up to 60% and cleaning material savings of between 10 and 70%. Green chemistry at its finest. Smartchem provides significant process and performance advantages. Beyond that, Smartchem intrinsically supports 10 sustainability goals of the UN. Make your process in industrial cleaning green.